What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my kitchen. Let's make some chicken back soup, Jamaican style. In Sister J's kitchen, Sister J's way. Let me show you how I do this after the intro.
Sister Jane at the kitchen. Yeah, hear me. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Anything at all where she cook finger licking. Sometimes by the water say fishing. Other times in our backyard garden. Eat where you grow, healthy way for living. Do the vlog, cook the food, use the fruits, make the juice, and she still have bake sweet pastries for the toad. Sister Jane, your cuisine at the truth.
Welcome back, beautiful people. Let's get into the kitchen to do some cooking with Sister J. Here are some of the ingredients that I'm using. I have my thyme over there, scallion, chocho, turnip, carrot, pumpkin, cock soup, pumpkin noodle soup, potato, garlic. I have pimento. Right here I have corn and dumpling, of course, along with my seasoned chicken back. And I have the pot on the fire over here. And I'm adding some garlic followed by some pimento. I'm gonna go ahead and add the pumpkin and the corn and allow this to boil up some, and then me add in my chicken and then the rest of stuff gradually. So here I have my seasoned chicken. I'm adding the seasoned chicken. I'm just gonna load that, make it cook a little bit, and then I add the other stuff then. Right here I have my dumpling already need, so when a time you're gonna make them. Here I have everything else peel, wash and cut up, ready for the pot. See the dumpling them there, ready for the pot too. I put in the dumpling them, and this is a quick and easy dinner. One pot meal, chicken back soup, Jamaican style, and Sister J's way. So in your kitchen you do what you please, yes. And I'm adding the dumpling them now. So now I have everything already washed, peel, and cut up. Okay, so this I simmer down a little, and I stir it up, and then I add in the chocho, the turnip, the carrot, and the potato. So yes, guys, and this pot have enough room, so it not go float over, enough room in there. Big enough pot. Yes, and me say the pot smell good already. I didn't reach nowhere yet. Over here I'm adding the scallion and the thyme, and see the cock soup and the pumpkin there. I'm going to add that in. Normally, or I would say sometime I sieve the noodles off, but I'm not doing that today. All right, so I'm just adding everything today. So when the pumpkin cook out, then the pot I go get more, have more body, it I go thick up more. Yes, see the pot there from a distance, pot a bubble, you see, and I saw it smell good. Yes, guys, so now I'm adding some more pimento, and I'm adding some more all-purpose seasoning, followed by some garlic powder. I'm gonna also add some black pepper, and when the pot simmer down some more, I'm gonna add in my hot pepper, because I don't want to put in my hot pepper too early, because I don't want it to burst in there. I pepper up my soup so I can enjoy it. So I'm gonna put the pepper in to get some flavor and not to get it too spicy. Okay, so guys, the soup smells so good. Look on it, you see that? Look, tasty delicious chicken back soup. Yeah. So I go in the freezer now and get the hot pepper there and throw it in. So see the hot pepper here? So when you see the hot pepper going, you know so the soup almost done. Cause me no want to make the pepper burst in the soup. Okay, so guys, the soup is almost ready. And here it is. Thank you all so much for watching. As always, I say live good, walk good, pray. Bless up yourself. Please subscribe some more.
Mr. J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe.
Thanks for watching.